I need to drink some more water, but I just got off my you-know-who. So this is the unboxing of the, I'm gonna put it right here because I don't remember what the hell it's called. This is the camera cover for it. I should do like a review on this camera, but I haven't used it yet, so I'm gonna give it a chance to see if I like it. This is, I guess this is the USB charger. A lot of these cords and stuff, they be like universal. Here, sunny. It's actually a beautiful day. Hey, let me tell y'all what I have to do. Hold on, first of all, hey everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea Moore. If you're new here, hey baby. You locked in for life now. You made a cult. Kidding. JK. I have a lot to do today. I have to get a massage from my chiropractor. I have to go to Target, just run a few errands, and then when I get home I have stuff to do as well. So I'm just taking y'all along. I'm about to like switch from this camera to this camera. Now let me finish this unboxing. I probably could use a longer cord than this. This is for the speaker. Ew, I kind of low-key like cringe at this material of things, especially like teddy bears and stuff. Ew. Oh, it's so but I guess it's good. It's to amplify your audio. And the final reveal. Bruh. This shit. Oh, I'm a YouTuber, bitch. But this is so funny. What? That quality good. Y'all, I didn't expect this camera to be that good. Like, I was just like, I'm shocked. Bro, it is too much hassle trying to record on your phone. So it's like, fuck this. I had to get another. Girl, this camera is it. Girl, if you don't see this camera, let me make a pose. Hold on. This camera is, see, I told y'all the sun was coming out. I told y'all the sun was coming out. I know y'all see it, but what the, I'm gonna link all the descriptions and stuff to this camera down below. I got it off of I bought it from Best Buy, I believe. Yeah. Oh my god, this is a really good camera. Wait, it's upside down. Oh, girl. Oh, hold on, you could turn it this way too. This camera is really fucking good. You can see my Uggs. Hey, Ugg gang. Oh, FYI, I lived in a, not me about to say I lived in Atlanta. No, I lived in Conyers. I lived in Conyers for about 8 years, and it's like 20 minutes from Atlanta, but I have so many Uggs. And now that I live back in Miami, because that's where I'm from, now that I live back in Miami, it's like, what the fuck I'm finna do? I ain't finna give my damn Uggs away, because everybody who got Uggs know Uggs ain't the shoe to give. I ain't giving up my Uggs, baby. I'm wearing my little Uggs in this 200 degrees. Okay, but for real, I love this camera. Like, what the hell? I don't have a card. Oh, so I was smart. I have a camera that my sister is a blessed woman, and she was able to bless me with this camera. This is a Canon Powershot SX500IS. This is, okay, yeah. This is this. And I be using this on my pictures on Instagram. It's not a good video camera, but it's a great picture camera. This is a video camera. So these are the two cameras that I use. I'm gonna link them down the description for y'all. Let me turn this off because I don't want to waste the battery. But you can see it's just a battery right here. You press this little button and it comes out like this. And yeah, I'm gonna put the memory card in here from this camera because I don't use that. I don't really use that camera like that. So I'm gonna try to like record this video, the rest of this video. Yeah, it's 64 gigs. And then Okay, I think it should work now. It said preparing database. Look what else I just did. Child, anyway, so. Wait, hold on. It's touchscreen. I'm gonna record the rest of this video with this camera. If it's not perfect, oh well. You know what I'm saying? Like, fuck it. What's in the phone? Oh, they got the steady shot. Okay. I like it. This shit fire. I hope nobody can see me right now. Battery died. I'm charging it right now. And get the ticket out. To the art supply store. Next is the beauty supply store, and the beauty supply store is like literally in the same plaza, but I'm gonna go like drive closer to it because I don't feel like walking over there with a baby. But it's in this plaza though, so it's like a little 2-second drive. I'm really happy that y'all are like with me. I got some good organizers. Like I got these baskets, and this was literally like all that was on my list was baskets and organizers. I also had got a book bag, and then I got this picture frame. Both of them match, and I feel like that's gonna go really good in my room. So yeah, I think we're gonna get something from that cafe, that juice bar. The beauty supply store is right there though.